You need to hear this if you're a tech enthusiast. This is going to blow your mind. There's an undeniable thrill in the air when a new smartphone hits the market. Welcome to our channel TechDevil, where we dive into the latest and greatest in technology. It's the culmination of months of anticipation, leaks, and rumors, all building up to this moment. We, as tech enthusiasts, are driven by the desire to experience the latest and greatest that the industry has to offer. OnePlus, a brand known for its commitment to speed and performance, has recently unveiled its latest contender, the OnePlus 12R. This phone promises a suite of impressive features, all wrapped up in a sleek and stylish design. In this article, we'll delve into the specifics of the OnePlus 12R, exploring its key features and what makes it stand out from the crowd. From its powerful processor to its impressive camera system, we'll cover it all. So buckle up and get ready for a deep dive into the world of the OnePlus 12R. Whether you're a die-hard OnePlus fan or simply curious about the latest tech, there's something here for everyone. The OnePlus 12R is the latest addition to OnePlus's lineup of performance-oriented smartphones. It's designed for users who demand the best in speed, power, and camera capabilities. The phone boasts an array of impressive specs, making it a worthy contender in the flagship market. OnePlus has always been known for listening to its community, and the 12R is no exception. The company has taken feedback from previous models and incorporated it into the design and functionality of the 12R. The result is a phone that feels refined, powerful, and tailored to the needs of today's tech-savvy users. Whether you're a gamer, a photographer, or simply someone who relies on their phone for everyday tasks, the OnePlus 12R aims to deliver a seamless and enjoyable experience. In the following sections, we'll break down each key feature, providing an in-depth look at what makes the OnePlus 12R tick. Get ready to explore the world of the OnePlus 12R and discover why it's generating so much buzz in the tech community. One of the standout features of the OnePlus 12R is its stunning display. It boasts a 6.7-inch AMOLED panel with a silky smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. This combination results in a visually immersive experience, whether you're scrolling through social media, watching videos, or gaming. The AMOLED technology delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast, making everything on the screen pop. The 120 Hz refresh rate ensures buttery smooth animations and transitions, making everyday use a joy. Scrolling through websites and menus feels incredibly fluid, and gaming is taken to a whole new level of responsiveness. The display is also HDR10+ certified, meaning you can enjoy compatible content with enhanced brightness, contrast, and color accuracy. This translates to a more cinematic viewing experience, especially when streaming HDR movies and TV shows. Whether you're a multimedia enthusiast or simply appreciate a great display, the OnePlus 12R certainly delivers in this department. It's a feast for the eyes and enhances every interaction you have with the phone. At the heart of the OnePlus 12R lies the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. This powerhouse of a chipset is built on a 4nm process, making it incredibly power efficient while delivering blazing fast performance. Whether you're multitasking between demanding apps or gaming at high settings, the 12R can handle it all without breaking a sweat. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, ensuring smooth and responsive performance even with multiple apps open in the background. This means you can switch between tasks seamlessly without experiencing any lag or stutter. The phone also comes with up to 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage, providing ample space for all your apps, photos, videos, and games. The combination of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, fast RAM, and ample storage makes the OnePlus 12R a true performance beast. It can handle anything you throw at it, making it an ideal choice for power users and gamers alike. With its top-of-the-line specs, the OnePlus 12R is built to deliver a flagship-level experience. It's designed to keep up with your demanding tasks and provide a smooth and enjoyable user experience. Section 5 Photography Prowess 50MP Triple Camera System. OnePlus has stepped up its camera game with the 12R, equipping it with a versatile triple camera system. The star of the show is the 50MP Sony IMX890 primary sensor, which captures stunning detail and accurate colors in various lighting conditions. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or low-light scenes, the primary camera delivers impressive results. Alongside the primary sensor, you'll find a 48MP ultra-wide lens that allows you to capture more of the scene in a single frame. This is perfect for landscapes, architecture, and group shots. The ultra-wide lens also doubles as a macro lens, allowing you to get up close and personal with your subjects for unique perspectives. Completing the triple camera setup is a 32MP telephoto lens that offers 2x optical zoom, allowing you to get closer to the action without sacrificing image quality. This is ideal for portraits, wildlife photography, and capturing distant subjects. Section 6. Battery and charging, a winning combination. The OnePlus 12R packs a sizable 500 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day of moderate to heavy use. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming videos, or gaming, you can rest assured that the 12R will keep up with your demands. OnePlus has also implemented optimizations to extend battery life, so you can squeeze even more usage out of a single charge. When it comes to charging, the OnePlus 12R supports blazing fast 100W Super VOOC charging. This technology allows you to juice up your phone from 0% to 100% in just under 25 minutes. This means you can spend less time tethered to a charger and more time enjoying your phone. The combination of a long-lasting battery and incredibly fast charging makes the OnePlus 12R a winner in the battery department. You can power through your day without worrying about running out of juice, and when you do need to charge, it only takes a few minutes to get back up to speed. Section 7. Oxygen OS 14, sleek and refined. The OnePlus 12R runs on Oxygen OS 14, the latest iteration of OnePlus's custom Android skin. Oxygen OS is known for its near-stock Android experience, offering a clean and bloat-free interface with a focus on speed and smoothness. Oxygen OS 14 builds upon this foundation with subtle refinements and new features that enhance the user experience. One of the key improvements in Oxygen OS 14 is the enhanced shelf, which provides quick access to your favorite widgets, apps, and contacts. The shelf is customizable, allowing you to personalize it to your liking. Oxygen OS 14 also introduces new always-on display, AOD clock styles, giving you more options to personalize your lock screen. OnePlus has also focused on improving gaming performance with Oxygen OS 14. The game mode has been enhanced with new features like a frame rate booster and a performance mode that optimizes the phone's resources for gaming. Section 8. Design and build, premium and durable. The OnePlus 12R boasts a premium design language that exudes elegance and sophistication. The phone features a sleek metal frame that feels sturdy and well built in hand. The back panel is made of frosted glass, which feels smooth to the touch and resists fingerprints. The camera module on the back is seamlessly integrated into the design, giving it a cohesive and modern look. The OnePlus logo is subtly placed on the back, adding a touch of branding without being overbearing. The front of the phone is dominated by the stunning 6.7-inch display, which curves slightly at the edges for a more immersive viewing experience. The bezels around the display are incredibly thin, maximizing the screen-to-body ratio. Section 9. A look back, OnePlus 12R versus its predecessors. Compared to its predecessors, the OnePlus 12R brings several notable upgrades to the table. The most significant improvement is the processor, with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 offering a substantial performance boost over the previous generation. This translates to faster app launches, smoother gaming, and improved overall responsiveness. The camera system has also received a significant upgrade, with the 50MP Sony IMX890 primary sensor capturing more detail and delivering better low-light performance. The addition of a telephoto lens adds versatility to the camera system, allowing for greater creative control. Battery life has also been improved, with the 5,500 mAh battery easily lasting a full day of heavy use. The 100-watt Super VOOC charging is another welcome upgrade, significantly reducing the time it takes to fully charge the phone. Section 10. Pricing and availability, value for money. OnePlus has always been known for offering flagship-level specs at competitive prices, and the 12R is no exception. The phone is priced aggressively, making it an incredible value proposition for the features it offers. The OnePlus 12R is available in various storage and RAM configurations, allowing you to choose the option that best suits your needs and budget. The phone is available for purchase from OnePlus's official website, as well as from various online and offline retailers. With its competitive pricing and impressive specs, the OnePlus 12R offers excellent value for money. It's a compelling option for budget-conscious consumers who don't want to compromise on performance or features. Section 11 OnePlus 12R, a compelling choice for tech enthusiasts. The OnePlus 12R is a significant release for tech enthusiasts, offering a compelling blend of performance, features, and value. Its powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, stunning 120Hz AMOLED display, and impressive camera system make it a worthy contender in the flagship market. OnePlus has listened to its community and incorporated valuable feedback into the design and functionality of the 12R. The result is a phone that feels refined, powerful, and tailored to the needs of today's tech-savvy users. Whether you're a gamer, a photographer, or simply someone who demands the best from their smartphone, the OnePlus 12R is definitely worth considering. It's a testament to OnePlus's commitment to delivering high-quality devices that push the boundaries of innovation without breaking the bank. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest tech reviews and news, make sure to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up and ring the notification bell. Thanks for watching.